In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain to Hostinger. The process can be easily broken down into a few clear steps, and I'll explain each one to ensure you feel confident undertaking this task. So whether you're setting up a new website or moving from another hosting provider, let's get started on this journey together. First and foremost, you need to locate your Hostinger name servers. To do this, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're in, head over to the Websites or Domains section, where you'll find this information. This is accessible by navigating through the Websites tab to Dashboard and then Plan Details. Alternatively, you might find what you need in the DNS Zone editor. Here, the exact name servers provided by Hostinger will be listed. Typically, these name servers are given as two server addresses, such as ns1.hostinger.com and ns2.hostinger.com. It's essential to copy these name server addresses accurately, as you'll need them in the next step. Now let's move on to updating the name servers at your domain registrar. Begin by logging into the account where your domain is registered. Common registrars include GoDaddy, Namecheap, and a few others. Once logged in, you'll want to navigate to your domain list and select the domain you wish to connect to Hostinger. Within your domain settings, look for the DNS or name server configuration options. This is where you'll replace the existing name servers with the custom ones you copied from Hostinger. Be sure to save these changes once you've entered the new information. Saving could require you to press a button labeled Save, Confirm, or a simple checkmark, depending on your registrar's interface. After updating the name servers, the changes will need some time to propagate across the internet. This process, known as DNS propagation, can take up to 24 hours. During this period, it's normal for your website to be temporarily unavailable, so there's no need to worry if you can't access it right away. To keep track of the progress, you can utilize a DNS checker tool such as whatsmidens.net. By entering your domain name and selecting NS for name servers in the tool, you can check how far the propagation has progressed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected your domain to Hostinger, setting the stage for a smooth and efficient website hosting experience. Remember, while the waiting game for DNS propagation can be a bit frustrating, patience is key, and your website will be live soon. I hope you found this guide helpful, and feel free to explore more of my videos for additional tips and insights on managing your web domains effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting!